வெல்கம் டு ஆர்ட்ஸ் அச்சீவர்ஸ். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா 12th எக்கனாமிக்ஸோட Chapter-2 நேஷ்னல் இன்கமோட ரெடியூஸ்டு சிலபஸ் இன்சைட் 1 மார்க் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஒரு 35 1 மார்க்ஸ் இன்சைட் 1 மார்க்ஸ் லைன் பை லைன் எடுத்திருக்கேன், பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன், த கான்செப்ட் ஆஃப் நேஷ்னல் இன்கம் இஸ் அன் indispensable preparation of taking that great issue of unemployment, inflation and growth. This definition was given by dash. Option A Samuelson, option B Keynes, option C Marshall, option C Simon Keynes. The answer is option A. Next, second one, national income denotes the country dash. Option A market price, option B purchasing power, option C employment opportunity, option D goods and services. The answer is option B purchasing power. Third one, dash provide a comprehensive measure of the economic activity of a nation. Option A price, option B demand, option C personal income, option D national income. The answer is option D national income. Fourth one, national income thus serves as an instrument of dash. Option A economic growth, option B economic planning, option C economic development, option D inflation. The answer is option B economic planning. Fifth one, national income is one of the most significant dash variables. Option A macroeconomics, option B microeconomics, option C both A and B, option D none of this. The answer is option A macroeconomics. Sixth one, who is the creator of GDP? Option A Sayce, B Keynes, C Simon Keynes, option D J.K. Hicks. The answer is option C Simon Keynes. Seventh one, which is the basic concept of national income dash. Option A GDP, option B GDP deflector, option C GNP, option D all the above. The answer is option D all the above. Eighth one, Simon Keynes created the GDP in the year dash. Option A 1932, option B 1934, option C 1936, option D 1938. The answer is option A 1932. Ninth one, the difference between the value of export and import goods and services is known as dash. Option A x minus m, option B r minus p, option C both a and b, option D c plus I. The answer is option A x minus m. Tenth one, goods and service produced or purchased by the government which is denoted by dash. Option A C, option B I, option C G, option D r minus p. The answer is option C G. 11th one, depreciation is also called as dash. A marginal consumption allowances, B current allowances, C income allowances, D capital consumption allowances. Answer is D capital consumption allowances. 12th one, dash is obtained by dividing national income by population. Option A personal income, option B per capita income, option C real income, option D disposable income. The answer is option B per capita income. 13th one, real income nu varum, adu miss aichu. Real income is the buying power of dash. Option A real income, option B nominal income, option B C personal income, option D national income. The answer is option B nominal income. 14th one, GDP deflector is an index of price changes of goods and services, includes in dash. Option A GDP, option B NNP, option C GNP, option D none of this. The answer is GDP. 15th one, production method is also called as dash. Option A distribution method, option B income method, option C primary method, option D inventory method. The answer is option D inventory method. 16th one, product method, the gross value of from the sector is dash. Option A agriculture, option B industry, option C trade and commerce, option D all the above. Answer is option D all the above. 17th one, the value of the final product is derived by the summation of all value added in the dash process. Option A distribution, option B manufacturing, option C productive, option D economic. The answer is Option C, productive. Question number 18. The total output of each commodity is valued at dash. Production price, B. Market price, C. Primary price, D. Secondary price. The answer is B. Market price. Question number 19. Net value of each sector measured in this way indicates the net contribution of the sector to the dash. Option A, real income. Option B, nominal income. Option C, capital income. Option D, national income. The answer is option D, national income. Question number 20. Double counting is avoided to be under dash. Option A, value adder method. Option B, layout method. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. The answer is option A, value adder method. Question number 21. The value of output used for self dash should be counted while measuring national income. Option A, production. Option B, employment. Option C, consumption. Option D, distribution. The answer is option C, consumption. Question number 22. Income method is also called as dash. Option A, layout method. Option B, outlay method. Option C, factor earning method. Option D, inventory method. The answer is option C, factor earning method. Question number 23. Income method approach national income from the dash side. Option A, production. Option B, employment. Option C, consumption. Option D, distribution. The answer is option D, distribution. Question number 24. The factor income are grouped under dash. Option A, real personal disposal. Option B, labor capital mixed. Option C, personal real nominal. Option D, none of this. The answer is option B, labor capital mixed. 25. Data on income from abroad are obtained from the account of dash of a country. Option A, balance of payment. Option B, balance of trade. Option C, net profit. Option D, national income. The answer is option A, balance of payment. Question number 26. Expenditure or income towards payment incurred by the government like old age pension should not be included. Option A, income method. Option B, expenditure method. Option C, both A and B. Option D, product method. The answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 27. Match. First one, net indirect tax, closing stock minus opening stock. Second one, gross value added, sales plus change in stock. Third one, value of output, indirect tax minus subsidies. Fourth one, change in stock, value of output minus intermediate consumption. The option is A, 4312, B, 3214, C, 1342, D, 2341. The answer is option A, 4312. Question number 28. Dash is the price that consumer will pay for the product when they purchase its sellers. Option A, RI. Option B, FC. Option C, DI. Option D, MP. The answer is option D, MP. MP which means market price. தான் வந்து MP அப்படின்னு ஷார்ட்டாக கொடுத்துருக்கேன். Next question number 29. Production of goods and service incur a cost for using this. Option A, cost of production. Option B, factors of production. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. The answer is option B, factors of production. Question number 30. Value of output is equal to dash. Option A, price into quantity sold. Option B, sales plus change in stock. Option C, both A and B. Option D, indirect tax minus subsidies. The answer is option C, both A and B. Next, question number 31. Market price is equal to dash. FC plus indirect tax minus subsidies. B, indirect tax minus subsidies. C, export minus import. D, income equal to expenditure. The answer is FC plus indirect tax minus subsidies. FC என்ன ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுதுன்னா ஃபேக்டர் காஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த ஃபார்முலாலே ஷார்ட்டாக தான் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் நம்பர் 32. ஃபேக்டர் காஸ்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு A, FC plus indirect tax minus subsidies. B, indirect tax minus subsidies. C, MP plus indirect tax plus subsidies. D, income equal to expenditure. The answer is C, MP plus indirect tax plus subsidies. Question number 33. total money value of final goods and services produced in a country during a particular year, including depreciation and net export. Option A GDP, option B GNP, option C NNP, option D NNP at factor cost. The answer is option B GNP. Question number 34. Government make payment in the form of pensions, unemployment allowances, subsidies, etc. Option A windfall gain, option B second hand goods, option C corporate profit tax, and then D வந்து transfer payment. The answer is option D transfer payment. Question number 35. The factor cost refers to the dash that is incurred by firm when producing goods and service. Option A factors of production, option B direct production cost, option C factor cost, option D cost of production. The answer is option D cost of production. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஷேர் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் ஆர்ட்ஸ் அச்சீவர்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ.